Hi guys, Dan from EasyDrive here again. Today I've got a 1.6 Kia Sportage here. I'm going to give you a quick walk around video and tell you a little bit about it. Hope you enjoy. Here we go. So the Kia Sportage 1.6 2018 is currently for sale on our Auto Trader now. Obviously link will be in the description. It's in a lovely black colour. It's actually proper well looked after, this car. I like these little sort of grille bits down here. Even though it's 2018, it still looks very modern. So the headlights here as well. These cars are known for being economical, so brilliant for maybe a budget car, maybe a family run around. The rims are in lovely condition, no major damage. Even the spoiler on the back sort of gives that sporty look. Let's take a look at the boot. So brilliant boot space, plenty of room maybe for a dog, or loads of room for the shopping. Obviously spare equipment section down there for if you need a jack or anything like that, first aid kit. Also got the privacy blinds as well. This pulls out nicely over the boot, so you've got no one can look through the back window. So moving on to the interior, as we can see we have the black interior, plastic finish, obviously 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking. Brilliant condition seats as well, fabric. No major marks or stains. Steering wheel is in pretty mint condition as well. We have a radio infotainment system, FM AM radio with presets, aircon and blower control. Also got an aux cord and a USB as well as 2 12-volt batteries, 12-volt connections. And look of it, at the moment we have 47,000 miles on the clock. I have other little gadgets as well, sunglasses holder, obviously lights, and 2 Sunvisors. Also got storage down here and 2 cup holders. This is obviously manual transition as well. Stop start and hill descent control. Move around to the back. Plenty of room. And we've got the bins in the doors, electric windows. Perfect maybe for a family, especially with it being so economical. 12-volt charger down here, as well as storage in the back of the chairs. Armrest and cup holders. There we have it, guys. So there we go, guys. As always, the Auto Trader link will be in the description along with the price and how to contact us. For more information, don't delay and give us a call and grab it before it goes. Cheers.